Welcome to Compare to Win. The best small office table is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture for anyone working from home or in a compact office space. It needs to be functional, stylish, and fit your needs. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of small office tables, exploring different designs, materials, and features to help you find the perfect one for your workspace. Number 5. For NM31.5 Folding Desk, Natural and White. This desk features a smart folding design. You can easily fold or unfold it in seconds. This space-saving table is perfect for small spaces, offering incredible flexibility. Assembly is quick and easy. The desk comes with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. You'll be set up in minutes, saving you time and effort. The modern, concise look is complemented by a high-quality desktop and a sturdy metal frame. This desk fits perfectly into your home, providing a functional workspace. Expanded, it measures 31.5 by 17.72 by 29.72 inches, ideal for small spaces, home offices, and corners. When folded, it's easily stored behind a door or under a bed. When not in use, this small desk can be placed behind the door, behind the sofa, or in a small corner. It's a truly collapsible table solution, making it incredibly portable. What we like? This desk's standout feature is its folding design, allowing you to save space when not in use. It is incredibly flexible and perfect for small spaces. If you are looking for a desk that can be easily stored away, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The table is the perfect size for a small office space. It's sturdy and well-made. The design is modern and sleek. Number 4. Lufeiya 39-inch white computer desk. This desk is designed for compact areas, ideal for students or anyone with limited space. It's a great solution for writing, studying, or working from home. It's a perfect fit for your needs. The desk features a modern, simple design with a white desktop and black metal frame. It's made from durable particle board that's scratch-resistant and waterproof. The design is both stylish and practical. It comes with a removable storage bag and a headphone hook for added convenience. These features help keep your workspace organized and tidy. They are easy to remove if you don't need them. The desk has extra steel brackets and adjustable leg pads for stability. Non-slip protectors on the legs prevent scratches and reduce noise. This ensures a stable and secure workspace. Assembly is quick and easy, taking about 10 minutes with the included tools and instructions. You won't need any extra tools. It's designed for a hassle-free setup. Professional customer service is provided, with easy and fast replacements for any quality issues. If you have any problems, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like? This desk offers a modern, simple style with a handy storage bag and headphone hook. It's built with a sturdy structure, ensuring stability and durability. If you are a student or someone who needs a functional and stylish workspace, this desk is ideal for you. What people say. The table is the perfect size for a small office space. It's sturdy and well-made. The design is modern and sleek. Number 3. VASAGLE ULIT 273B01 Side Table. Need a table for a small space? This end table is perfect. It takes up little floor space while providing ample storage with its 3 tiers. This side table offers an industrial look to any room. It has a clean design with rustic brown and matte black steel accents, making it a stylish addition to your home. Built with particle board and steel frames, this table is solid and stable. It can hold up to 44 pounds on each tier, and the adjustable feet ensure it won't wobble on uneven floors. Forget the frustrating furniture assembly experiences. This table comes with clear instructions and numbered parts, so you can set it up in just 4 simple steps. Get this industrial-inspired end table with 3 open tiers for convenient storage. It works great as an occasional table or a nightstand, fitting seamlessly into your living room, bedroom, office, or bathroom. What we like? This side table is designed for small spaces, offering 3 tiers of storage without taking up much room. Its industrial look adds a stylish touch to any space. If you have a small living room or bedroom and need extra storage, this table is perfect for you. What people say. The table is the perfect size for a small office space. It's sturdy and well-made. The design is simple and modern, which fits well with the office decor. Number 2. VASAGLE Ulit 56BG 2-tier round side table. This side table features a sturdy steel frame and reinforced legs. It can support up to 66 pounds on the top shelf, ensuring long-lasting use. The table boasts 2 round shelves with elegant finishes and a sleek steel frame. It's a perfect and practical addition to any home decor. Equipped with adjustable feet, this accent coffee table remains steady even on uneven floors. This feature keeps your items secure and the table balanced. With a straightforward structure and easy-to-follow instructions, assembly is a breeze. You'll have this end table ready in no time. Whether beside your sofa, in the hallway, or bedroom, this chic side table complements any space. It's designed to round off your interior with style. What we like? This side table features a sleek, round design with 2 shelves, perfect for adding a touch of style to your space. It has enhanced stability with adjustable feet. If you like a modern design and need a stable side table, consider this one. What people say? Easy to assemble, attractive, and good height and width. Love the side table. It looks sleek, is sized exactly as advertised, and works great as a useful surface area that also increases our outlet availability. Love that it has 2 levels and the open area underneath. Easy to assemble. Quite sturdy. Looks very stylish in our space. Number 1. VASAGLE 40 Industrial Console Table. This console table features a rustic design with a black steel frame and particle board. It's perfect for displaying photos, decorations, and flowers. With this table, you can easily create a welcoming atmosphere in your home. This versatile table is 40 long and has 2 mesh shelves. Use it in your hallway as a key rack and shoe shelf. It also works well in the living room, bedroom, or under the staircase. It's a stylish addition to any space. The combination of sturdy steel and durable particle board makes this sideboard very stable. Each shelf of this robust console table can hold up to 44 pounds. It's built to last and can handle your belongings. Setting up this console table is quick and easy. Thanks to the manageable number of parts, you can have it assembled in just a few minutes. It's designed for your convenience. You'll receive a console table with a rustic top and 2 mesh shelves. Clear instructions are included to simplify assembly. It's a great way to make your home more attractive and organized. What we like? This console table features an industrial design with 3 tiers, perfect for entryways or living rooms. The rustic top and mesh shelves create an inviting atmosphere. If you want to create an inviting atmosphere in your home, this console table is a great choice. What people say? The table is the perfect size for a small office space. It was easy to assemble and is very sturdy. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well with the office decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.